Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase, especially with all the buzz on Reddit about the 2025 updates, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward but important for keeping your investments secure and accessible. Let's dive in. First off, why would you want to transfer? Robinhood is great for beginners, but Coinbase offers more advanced tools, lower fees in some cases, and better integration with the crypto world. Plus, based on threads from Reddit, many users are shifting for enhanced security features coming in 2025. Before we start, make sure you have both accounts set up and verified. You'll need your crypto balance on Robinhood and a funded Coinbase wallet. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your crypto holdings, select the asset you want to transfer, and choose the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Reddit users often recommend double-checking for any minimum withdrawal amounts to avoid fees. Next, you'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. Head over to Coinbase, go to your wallet, and copy the specific address for the crypto you're transferring. Don't mix this up with other assets. Paste it into Robinhood's withdrawal form, add any required details like the amount, and confirm the transaction. Remember, transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion, as per 2025 Reddit discussions. A quick tip from the community: always use the exact network specified, like Ethereum for ETH tokens, to prevent your funds from getting lost. Also, watch out for gas fees if you're dealing with blockchain transfers, they can add up. Once the transfer is complete, check your Coinbase account to confirm everything arrived safely. If you run into issues, Reddit's Cryptocurrency is a goldmine for troubleshooting advice. There you have it, folks. Transferring crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase is a smart move for 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.